So a car is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. What is the car's speed in kilometers per hour? All right, so whenever it says per, that means divide. So a car is traveling at a speed of 20 meters per second. So that means divide. So it's 20 meters divided by seconds. And then they want to know, what is that in kilometers per hour? So we want to switch from meters divided by seconds to kilometers divided by hours. So we start with 20 meters over seconds. And then we're going to multiply. Okay, so we want to get from meters to kilometers. So I'm going to put my meters in the bottom. Remember, there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So I'm going to put 1,000 meters in the bottom and 1 kilometer in the top. So now I have kilometers per second when I do that. Okay. So next, I need to get rid of the seconds and turn those into hours. So since seconds are on the bottom, I'm going to put the seconds on the top. And then I'm going to put minutes on the bottom. And there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay, and then the seconds cancel. Okay, now I have minutes on the bottom. So I'm going to put minutes on the top, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And now the minutes cancel. So what I end up with, since these canceled, I only have kilometers left on the top, and I only have hours left on the bottom, and I have 20 times 60 times 60 divided by 1,000. 20 times 60 times 60 divided by 1,000, and that's kilometers per hour. And they gave us a calculator. 20 times 60 times 60 divided by 1,000. So the speed is 72 kilometers an hour. And now, how far will we travel in 3 hours? So if we go 72 kilometers per hour, that means that in 3 hours, we'll multiply. And the way that you know that as well is if we have 72 kilometers per hour, and then if I multiply that by 3 hours over 1, the hours cancel, and I just get the kilometers. So it's 72 times 3 kilometers. Let's do one more of those. A cyclist rides his bike at a speed of 36 miles per hour. Wow, that's really fast. He must be a racer. Okay, so 30, or he's going downhill. 36 miles per hour. And what is the speed in feet per second? So we want to get feet per second. Question mark, feet per second. So again, we're starting with 36 miles over 1 hour. And then 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So let's do that first. So we put the miles in the bottom. So we have 1 mile is 5,280 5280 feet. Okay, and then the miles cancel. All right, so that gives me my feet. And then I need to go from hours to seconds. So since the hour's in the bottom, I'm going to put the hour on the top. And there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. And then there are, well, the hours cancel. Now I put the minutes on the top. And there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. And those minutes will cancel. And so now I have feet on the top, seconds on the bottom, which is how I want it. So I have 36 times 5280 divided by 36 times 5280 times 1 divided by 60 times 60. Feet per second. So feet left and seconds left. Right? So then when we use our calculator, we go, I'm going to put this top part in parentheses. 36 times 5280 divided by, that way it lets me divide the bottom, 60 times 60. If I don't put the parentheses, it'll just divide the last number. It won't do it right. We want to end up with it looking like this. 56 times 5280 divided by 60 times 60. So it is 52.8 feet per second. And how far will we travel in 10 seconds? We need to multiply that by 10. 528 feet. Any questions, guys?